It is narrated from Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha that the Prophet ﷺ mentioned, sometimes a person performed deeds characteristics of the people of paradise while in reality his name is written in the preserved tablet Lohe Mahfuz among the people of hell. And sometimes a person does the deeds characteristics of the people of hell while in reality his name is written in the preserved tablet Lohe Mahfuz among the people of paradise. Therefore, when death approaches such a person, he starts doing the deeds characteristic of the people of paradise, and in the end he enters paradise. Similarly, a person may do deeds characteristic of the people of paradise, but his name is written in the preserved tablet among the people of hell. When death approaches him, he starts doing deeds characteristics of the people of hell, and ultimately he enters hell. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23662.